Welcome students, we will continue the lesson The Fish Tale. You know the different places of place value chart. The places are ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000, 100,000. 100,000 is same as 1 lakh. 10 lakh, 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs is same as 1 crore. Now we write the number. 1, 10, 100, 1000. This is 10,000. This one is 100,000. This is 10 lakh. And this one is 100 lakhs. Now see 10, 1, 10. How many zeros are there? 1 0, 100, 1000, 3 zeros are there, 10,000, 4 zeros are there. In 1 lakh or 100,000, in 100,000 that is same as 1 lakh. In 1 lakh how many zeros are there? 5 zeros are there. This is 10 lakh and 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs is same as 1 crore. In 1 crore 7 zeros are there. This is the place value chart. Now see different field. We start the chapter The Fish Tale. In different types of fish are there, you know it. The name of the fish are swordfish, squid, prawns, kingfish, sardines, etc. Basir has 100 rupees. He spends 1/4 of Basir has 100 rupees. He spends 1/4 of 100 rupees on squid and 3/4 of 100 rupees on prawn. So how much rupees? How much money does he spend on squid? How do we find out? 1/4 of 100 rupees. 1/4 of 100 rupees is how much it is? That this is 100 divided by 4. That is 25 fours are 100. So your answer is 25 rupees. And 3/4 of 100 rupees. 3/4 of 100 is, how do you find out? 3/4 of 100. That is 300 divided by 4. You divide it. 4 twos are 4 sevens are 28 minus 4 fives are. So how much it is? That is 75 rupees. So Basir spends 25 rupees on squid and 75 rupees on prawn. In that village 20 fisherwomen made a bank. The name of the bank is Meenkar's bank. Fazila is the president of that bank. They saves every month, they saves 25 rupees. 20 fisherwomen are there. Fisherwomen and they save 25 rupees every month. So how much money they saves every month? How do you find out? How much money they save? How much money does the group collect every month? $20 into 25 rupees. That is your product is 25 twos are 50. So one more zeros is there. Therefore, your product is 500 rupees. So 20 fisherwomen saves every month. How much rupees? 500 rupees. So how much money does will be collected in 10 years? In 1 month they will save 500 rupees. In 10 years, how much money will be collected? How do we find out? That is 1 month, 500 rupees. 10 years means 1 year is equal to, do you know 1 year is equal to how many months? 1 year is equal to 12 months. Okay. Therefore, 10 years is equal to 12 into 10. That is 120 months. In 120 months, how much money they will collect? In 1 month, they collect how much? That is rupees 500. In 120 months, they will collect how much? 500 into 120. That is 500 into 120. What is the product? Can you find out? 12 fives are, you know that 12 fives are 600. 12 fives are 60. Sorry, 12 fives are 60. So how many zeros are there? 1, 2, 3. That is 60. 3 more zeros. That is 60,000 rupees. So in 10 years, 10 years is same as 120 months. In 10 years, they will collect 60,000 rupees. Clear? How do you find out the product? In 1 month, 500 rupees. In 120 months, 60,000 rupees they saves. The fisherwomen made the bank. They can take the, when they need money, they can take the loan from the bank and they will return the money with interest. Now, Gracie took a loan to buy a net. She took a loan of 4,000 rupees from the bank. But she paid back rupees 345 every month for 1 year. In 1 month, she paid 345 rupees to the bank. So, in 1 year, how much money will she pay? Same as 1 year is equal to 12 months. So, therefore, in 12 months, it is more or less. In 1 month, rupees 345. In 12 months, it is more. So, what we will do? We will product it. That is 345 into 12. Now, you multiply this one, 345 into 12. How to find out? Now, first you multiply 2 by 345. 2 5s are 0, 8, 9, 6, 5, 4, 3. Now, you add this one. 0, 5 plus 9 plus 5 is 4. 6 plus 4 is 10 plus 1 carry, that is 4. So, your product is 4140, that is 4,140 rupees, 4,140. Gracie took a loan for 4,000 rupees and she paid back how much? Rupees 4,140. Okay. So, what is the interest? 4,140 minus 4,000, that is 140 rupees is the interest to pay extra to the bank. Jhansi and her sister took a loan of rupees 21,000 to buy a logboat. They paid back rupees 23,520 in 1 year. So, how much money did they pay in every month? How much money? How to find out? They paid back 23,520 in 1 year. That is in 1 year. 1 year is equal to 12 months. In 12 months, they paid back rupees 23,520. So, in 1 month, it is more or less? Must be less. So, what you will do? you divide this 23,520 divided by 12. Okay, now how to divide this? 12 ones are 12, minus it, that is 1 1, and 5 will come down. 12 nines are 108. 15 minus 8 is 7. Okay, 7, and these two will come down. 12 6 are 72. Now this 0 will come down. So 12 zeros are 0. So your quotient is 1960, that is 1960 rupees. So in every month, so in 1 month they will pay rupees 1960. Okay. In 12 months they paid 23,520, and in 1 month they will pay rupees 1960. They took a loan of 21,000, but they paid back 23,520 rupees. Now what is the extra money or interest? 23,520 minus 21,000. The amount is the interest there, the extra money they paid to the bank. The women of the fish Meenkar's bank want to start a factory to dry the fish. We know that when fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. When fresh fish is dried, it becomes 1/3 of its weight. In a month, they plan to dry the fish. How much? That is 6,000 kg of fresh fish they will plan to dry it. How much dried fish they will get in 1 month? They plan to dry 6,000 kg fresh fish in 1 month. So what is the dry fish amount of dry fish? Dry fish is equal to how much it is? Dry fish 1/3 of 6,000. 1/3 of 6,000 is 6,000 divided by 3. Dry fish is equal to 2,000 kg. Fresh fish is equal to, so 6,000 kg fresh fish is same as 2,000 kg of dry fish. Let us calculate for 6 kg of fresh fish. Now, this is the chart of rate. We buy fresh fish for 15 rupees per kg. We sell dried fish for 70 rupees per kg. Now, we dry 6 kg fresh fish to get what is how much dried fish? 6 divided, it's 1/3, that is 6 divided by 3 is 2 kg. We dry 6 kg fresh fish to get 2 kg dried fish. Okay. Now for 6 kg fresh fish we have to pay how much? The rate is fresh fish, the rate per kg, its rate is 15 rupees. So for 6 kg fresh fish we have to pay 6 into 15. 15 6 are rupees 19. 90. Okay, 15 6 are 90. So for 6 kg fresh fish we have to pay 90 rupees. We will sell 2 kg dried fish and get 2 into its rate is, we sell dried fish for 70 rupees per kg. For 2 kg, 2 into 70, its rate is 72s are 140. So if we dry 6 kg fresh fish, we earn how much? When we dry 6 kg fresh fish, we earn 140 rupees minus 90 rupees. 140 minus 90. 140 minus 90 is 50. Okay, rupees 50. So if we dry 6 kg fresh fish, we earn 50 rupees. When for 6 kg we earn 50 rupees, for 6000 kg, how much we will earn? 50 into 1000. That is, what is the relation? 6 and 1000. It is how many times it is more? 1000 times more. So here also we have to multiply it by 1000. For 6 kg rupees 50. For 6000 kg it is 50 into 1000. That is 50,000 rupees. Okay. So when we dry 6000 kg, we earn 50,000 rupees. To dry the fish, it needs some salt. So for 6000 kg fish, they need 1500 kg salt. The price of salt per kg is 2 rupees. So the cost of 1 kg salt is 2 rupees. The cost of 1500 kg salt, the cost of 1500 kg salt is, how much it is? Cost of 1 kg is 2 rupees, 1500 kg is 15 twos are 300, so it is 3000. Okay, 15 twos are 30 and 2 more zeros, that is 3000 rupees. The cost of salt for 6000 kg of fresh fish is 3000 rupees. And the packing and bus charges. Packing and bus charges is rupees 3000. So the total cost, the total monthly cost of drying, packing and bus charges is, here is 3000 and here is 3000. That is 3000 plus 3000. It is rupees 6000. Okay. So the total monthly cost of drying, packing and bus charges of 6000 kg of fresh fish, the cost is 6000 rupees, and they earn for 6000 kg of fresh fish, they earn previously 50,000 rupees, and the cost of drying, packing and bus charges is 6000 rupees. So every month their bank will earn how much rupees? That is 50,000 rupees. 50,000 rupees they will earn, and these are the cost. 3000 plus 3000 is equal to 6000 rupees. This is the cost of monthly cost of drying, packing and bus charges. So 50,000 minus rupees 6000. That is, you subtract this, 50 minus 6 is 44. So it is 44,000. So every month their bank will earn 44,000 rupees. So they will make, in this type, they will make the profit.